So as you guys can see on the screen, the green screen effect is now working. What's up YouTube, I am JoeyJ25, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add a green screen effect to your PS4 or PS5 SHAREFACTOry. Before we do get into the video though, I just want to let everyone know right now, you guys do need a USB. If you guys don't know what a USB looks like, it actually looks like this. They only cost about $7 to $15, so they're not that expensive. But like I said, you need one of these to, add the green screen effect so you can transfer files and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video though. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I would really appreciate it. I would also really appreciate it if you guys use my supporter creator code, JoeyJ25 in the item shop, as it would really help me out and help me out doing more Rocket League giveaways than I do now. And basically, if you guys are new to my channel, I do Rocket League giveaways every single Friday where you guys have the chance to win a free black market decal. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, plug your USB right into your PC, and then I'll see you guys over there. Alrighty guys, so once you guys are on your PC, you want to open up File Explorer. Looks like this. Open that up, and then you guys are going to try to look for something that's called USB drive. Once you see USB drive, you're obviously not going to have anything in it. You may have this, the SanDisk Secure Access. I have that. Don't worry about that, and don't worry about PS4 folder. All you need to worry about is creating a new folder called SHAREFACTOry. So to do that, you're going to click on USB, and you're going to click this right here and add a new folder, and then it's just going to drop it already in there. If you want to make sure, just put it right in there like that, so you can make sure. And yeah, I'm gonna obviously delete it because I already have it. And basically what you want to do though is rename it to SHAREFACTOry. And once you have done that, you're gonna open it up, and there's gonna be nothing in there as well. You're gonna add a new folder. So again, click right here and then new folder, rename it to videos. You have to rename it to videos. So rename it to videos, and then once you have done that, you guys should be good to go to start adding green screens. Now, before we do move on, I just want to let you guys know I do have a tutorial on my channel on how to add music. So if you don't know how to add music, I have a tutorial on that. I'll link that in the comment section down below. And if you guys want me to make a image tutorial video, like how to pop in images to make your videos stand out even more, let me know down below. If we get to 100 likes on this video, I'll definitely do it. So yeah. But now that you've created a video folder, it's time to move on to the next step, which will now be to look it up on YouTube. So I just looked up subscribe green screen effect. Search that up. You'll see a bunch of different things. So this is what I found. This is my favorite one right here. You guys can see you get the like, the subscribe, and the notification bell thing right there. So I really do like this. So what I'm going to do, it also has more as well. It has a bunch of other ones. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Only 30 seconds also, it's not that bad. So all you want to do now is just copy the link. So click copy. And then now what you want to do is you want to, search something up on YouTube. Not YouTube, but on Safari. It's going to be called YT MP3 converter. So you search that up, and then you want to make sure you click MP4, and then you just want to paste the link in here and click convert. The site is a safe site. Now, I do know I have a secure PC, so it is going to pop up that. It's going to be like, oh, this site is unsecure. But trust me, guys, this site is safe. I've never been hacked yet in my life. And this is what everybody uses to, get music, videos, stuff like that. So trust me, it's a safe site. So once you download it, obviously, this is going to pop up like, oh, this site, this is not safe. Unblock the page. Do not listen to it. Just cancel out of that. Cancel out of this. And then you guys can see it's going to be right there, the none.mp4. So let's open it up, see if this is it. Oh, yes, it is. It is it. So there it is. You guys can see right there. That's the thing we just downloaded. So now what you want to do now is basically go to back to your folders. Go to downloads. You guys are going to see it right here. None. I guess it's called none. I'm going to rename it to something else. I'm just going to rename it to new I can't even spell. New sub intro. And that's basically what I'll name it. So I'll click enter, and then what you want to do now is just drag it into the videos folder, drag it in right into there, and then once you'll see it right in here. Where is it? There it is right here. Ooh, that's like plus sub. I can't even find it. There it is right there. So again, we'll just make sure that is it. Yes, it is. Perfect. And then now what you want to do is just eject the USB, and then head right back over. Oh, let's see. Hold up. Currently in use. Okay, sorry. It's currently downloading it, so let me actually hop out of that. Okay, now it should be good. There we go. Alright, so now that it's all good to go, hop on your PlayStation, and then I'll meet you guys over there. Alrighty, everybody. So, guys, once you guys are back on your PlayStation, all you guys want to do is go over to Toolbox, and then go to Import Videos. Go to Import from USB, and then you guys should find it in here. It was called sub intro. Here you go, the 30-second one. And click square once you have, clicked on it, then click square. It's going to be importing video clip to now your actual PlayStation, and then we'll just let that sit there. I'm not going to cut out because obviously I want you guys to know this is legit. This is not a fake video. There we go. It has loaded up. Then you want to go right back to, well, not right back to, but start new project. And then you're gonna just click a random video. So I'll just show you guys it works. We'll just click this video right here. I'm not gonna rename it to anything. All we're gonna do now is add track 2. You're going to add clip, and then it should be right here, the first one. Now you guys can see right now it's small and it doesn't cover anything. It's still green. So how to fix that? Go to edit track 2, which all you have to do for that is click square. You're going to go to pimp layout, full screen, then click triangle, then click green screen, and then you'll have it right there. And then you guys could see, oh, there we go. There it is. There is our subscribe and notification animation. I also have music on it too, but there you guys have it. Again, another one. It's pretty cool. So I have a bunch of options to choose from now. And obviously, if I ever now once I find one that I really do like, I can obviously split the clip. So let's just say right here I split it to just only have this one, and then I get rid of the thanks for watching. So right here, and then let's see how this looks. Let's see. Ready? Let's see. Bang. Like, and then we'll see the subscribe, and then we'll see the notification bell. So that's basically all you guys have to do. Hopefully I helped you guys out in this video. If I did, let me know down in the comments down below. Make sure you guys smash a like on this video. I am going to be releasing more tutorials, tips, and guides for my channel. I know, like I said, summer is right around the corner. So I know a bunch of you guys are probably, thinking about starting a YouTube channel. If you are, please go ahead and do it, guys. You guys can definitely, achieve your dream. If that's what you want to become a YouTuber, you guys can definitely go out and do it, as long as you, have faith and believe in yourself. So I am going to create more tutorials and stuff, so don't worry. Let me know in the comments down below what I should do next. I'm obviously still playing Rocket League, but, because, summer is right around the corner, I thought, hey, I should, post some tutorial videos to help out some new people. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.